Apple has unveiled M4 Mac Mini for a starting price of 599 and with 16 GB of RAM. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The M4 Mac Mini has immediately become the best value in Apple's entire Mac lineup. It's more than capable for most computing tasks today. Now you have got a pair of 10 Gbps USB-C ports, USB 3 and a headphone jack up front. Around back are 3 Thunderbolt 4, USB 4 ports, HDMI and a gigabit Ethernet jack that's upgradable to 10 gigabit speeds. The M4 Pro Mac Mini has even faster brand new Thunderbolt 5 connectivity with theoretical data transfer speed of up to 120 Gbps, 3 times faster than Thunderbolt 4. But that's mostly targeted at creative professionals and intensive video work. Despite its dramatically reduced dimensions, the Mini still retains an internal power supply, so there's no cumbersome brick to worry about. Now take a look at specifications. Apple M4 processor, 10 CPU cores, 10 GPU cores, 16 GB RAM unified memory, storage 512 GB SS, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity and Bluetooth 5.3. Ports front 2x USB-C 10 Gbps. Headphone back 3x Thunderbolt 4. HDMI 2.1. Ethernet. Weight 1.5 pounds. That's all for now and thanks for watching.